Complete the following sentence. The axes divide the plane into regions called blank. There are blank of these regions. All right, let's see. The axes divide the plane into regions called, and again, we've been given a drop-down menu with three possibilities. The axes divide the plane into regions called quadrants, right? There are, again, a drop-down menu. There are 8 of these regions, 4 of these regions, or 2 of these regions. Well, we're talking about the axes, right? The x-axis and the y-axis. So we know that if we were to draw our xy rectangular coordinate system here, again, we've now looked at this in the first two questions. So here's our x and y axis. So again, we know the x is our horizontal axis, the vertical is our y-axis, and once we have these two axes down on a sheet of paper, we can clearly see that it splits up the regions into 4 distinct zones, right? And we call these zones quadrants, and we label them counterclockwise. We always start in the upper right as quadrant 1, so this would be quadrant 1, and from here we go to quadrant 2, and right below quadrant 2 is quadrant 3. Let me mute my phone so that doesn't continue to bother us. And then last but not least, we will label quadrant 4. And traditionally, we always use Roman numerals to label our quadrants on our XY grid. So there we have it. The axes divide the plane into regions called quadrants, and there are 4 of these regions. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There we have it, question number 3.